Say A.
A.
Say B.
B.
Say C.
C.
Say D.
D.
Say E.
O.
Elephant, yeah. Say E.
E.
Say F.
H.
F.
H.
Say G.
D.
Say H.
H.
Say I. Say I. Yeah, can you say I? Say I. Zoe, say I. Say I. Say it. Zoe, say I. Say J. Are you all done? What's the lion say? Good job. Hold on. Let's see if we know any more. What's that?
Ice.
Yeah, that was ice. What's this? What's that?
Hat.
A hat. Good job. Where does the hat go? Where does the hat go? On your head? It does. What's that? Elephant. What's that dinosaur say? Good job. What's this?
Boat.
A boat. Good job. What's that monkey say? What does the bird say? You can do the bird sign. Good job. What's that duck say?
Duck.
Quack, quack. What's that? Say sun.
Say.
I don't know what else we know in here. Say Z.
She.
Z for Zoe. Can you say Zoe?
Fish.
Say Zoe. No. Say all done. Say bye-bye to Mommy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Duck.
Duck, duck. Yeah. That's a duck, duck.
Duck. Out there.
All done.